Healthy Forever presents. Start eating salmon every day and see what happens to your body. Salmon is a type of fish with a soft texture that is easy to process and healthy for consumption. Salmon is also known as one of the most nutritious fish in the world. So consuming them can provide many health benefits, including reducing the risk of various diseases. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. 1. Good source of protein. Omega-3 fats are important proteins that the body needs. Some of the benefits of protein are that it helps the body recover from injuries, for bone health, to maintain muscle mass. 2. Omega-3 fats contained in salmon are one of the best foods to meet the needs of omega-3 fats in the body. Every 100 grams of farmed salmon has 2.3 grams of long-chain omega-3 fats. Meanwhile, wild salmon contains about 2.6 grams. Our bodies cannot produce omega-3 fats, while this protein is needed by the body. Therefore, eating salmon is the right option. A 2012 study found that consuming 4.5 grams of omega-3 fats can improve the function of arteries in the body. Eating 2 servings of salmon within a week can meet the needs of omega-3 fats. 3. Lots of vitamin B. Salmon contains lots of B vitamins, from vitamins B1, B6, B9 to B12. B vitamins will help the body convert food into energy and help the body to repair damaged DNA cells. Vitamin B has been shown to reduce inflammation that can lead to heart disease and optimize the brain and nervous system. 4. The content of omega-3 fats in salmon is very much, which can reduce the risk of several dangerous diseases, such as heart disease and stroke, cancer, dementia, Alzheimer's, and other cognitive diseases. Salmon meat is also believed to relieve symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, which occurs due to the immune system, pain or swelling in the joints of the hands or feet caused by autoimmunity. 5. Source of potassium. Salmon contains high potassium. In wild salmon meat there is 18% potassium. Daily requirement for every 3.5 ounces of meat. In farmed salmon, this is only 11%. In fact, salmon has more potassium than bananas. So, salmon can help control blood pressure. Thus, the risk of having a stroke also decreases. 6. Contains selenium. Selenium is needed by the body to help protect bones and is also able to reduce levels of thyroid antibodies for people with autoimmune thyroid disease. The risk of cancer will also decrease. Eating salmon and other fish that are high in selenium levels can increase selenium levels in the blood. 7. Reducing the risk of heart disease. When the omega-6 and omega-3 fats in the bloodstream are unstable, the chances of developing heart disease increase. Foods that contain omega-3 fats from salmon can reduce the levels of omega-6 fats in the body. It is recommended that adults eat 8 ounces of seafood per week, especially fish that contain omega-3 fats such as salmon. Meanwhile, children should eat seafood as much as 2-4 ounces per week from the age of 2 years. Pregnant women should still consult their doctor before eating salmon. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.